Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The amount of time it takes a shop to install a lift kit will vary. The actual installation time will probably take 1.5 to 3 hours if it is a body, spacer lift kit. If it is a suspension lift kit, expect the actual installation time to take between 3 to 5 hours, sometimes 6.
Take our lead.
Especially if you're considering installing a larger and more drastic lift like a 6-inch lift kit. So, how much is a 6-inch lift kit? Generally, lift kits can range anywhere from $400 to well over $5,000, with a 6-inch lift kit typically running at around $1,500 to $2,000.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Installing a lift kit is fairly straightforward. However, it's also time-consuming. It takes an experienced professional between 5 to 7 hours to install the kits. A private citizen with some experience working on cars usually takes all weekend.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.